Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Eagle Mower. This is the power system, most advanced technology. It says power system arc lithium 56 volt battery. Did get this on clearance, so we got this for $125 regular price $399. We got item number 2546170. It says torque of gas, industry's most advanced battery, runs up to 45 minutes on a single charge. It is used. It is a return, so let's go ahead and open this up. Before we open this up, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform by subscribers and likes. So this is used. We got a little bit of grass here. It's dirty, like it's already used. But the mower, what made me buy it is the mower itself. Obviously it's in really good condition. I already looked at this, by the way, at the store. It does have the battery. All right, this is the battery that it has. We got the charger. Pretty much the charger looks brand new. We got 25, 50, 75, 100%, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 550 watts. This is a really high powered rat charger. For the bag itself, looks like they used it and they just returned it, so it is used. All right, so this is a used mower. I ended up getting this because it's, you know, it's worth it because of the batteries and everything. We get a button for the lights on the front, so I guess maybe with the battery goes down, we got a light here. We got the flap for the bag, and it snaps into place. All right, here we have the handle. Got one on each side. You do have to have the arms fully extended in order for it to work. I'm gonna put this down a little bit more for my height, the second one down. All right, we got some basic functions here. We do have an on button. You do have to press this in order for it to come on. You guys do have that compartment. We do have the controls here for the height. Compartment here for the battery. So you guys do here, it says push to release the battery. We do have, it says Power Eagle on the front. Do have a handle there on the front. Let's assemble the bag. Clip this on. The bag, you lift this and it just goes in like any other. All right, let's put this on the charger and take this out outside. All right, I do have to say that this thing's bigger. Yeah, I do apologize for the dogs. There's barking dogs in the background. My dogs want to play. Yeah, this one's actually a little bigger than my other mower. So, but yeah, you can store it vertically with that handle on the side. You can, you know, put the handles all the way down and pretty much store it vertically. It does pick up more than my other mower. My other mower is an Atlas 80 volt mower. So you guys do see it did not do very well on the first pass. On the first use, this is the first time I used it. So that's the finish. And this is the second time I was using it. I was trimming, that I had more time to do it correctly. So I did trim the edges and everything. So I left all the debris and blowed trash in that area so I could see how well it picks up the leaves and the dead grass and everything. So overall, it seems to be doing a really good job compared to, you know, how dirty this yard is. So yeah, like I said, and the battery is excellent, guys. I haven't charged it, so I did. This is not the only grass I have. I have a bigger patch of grass. This is just a really small patch of grass, but I haven't charged it. I cut the bigger part of it twice already. I cut this part twice already, and this is the second time. I really like the finished product. The results. You still got a little bit left here on this, you know, a little bit of debris, but it does pick up more than my other mower. That's one thing I really like about this. That's what I wanted. Because the other one you do have to do like 2 or 3 passes. This one you just do 1 pass and it picks pretty much really well. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.